Loving this two-piece set that Shein sent me. It comes in a variety of colors. I got the white. It's a top and a bottom. I tucked the top in. If you want to see the full length, this is what it looks like. So you can definitely wear it on its own as well with a pair of jeans or leggings. The bottom is high waisted. It has an elastic and drawstring waist, so it's really flexible and will fit multiple body types. The length is a bit cropped, so it ends a little bit above my ankle, and then I'm pairing it with just like a cute pair of sneakers. The fabric is textured, so you can see it has like this striped print to it, and then it changes the direction it goes in. It's just really cute, really comfortable. This is great for like lounging, or if you're traveling, going to the airport, what have you. Just a really comfortable, great everyday set.